In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PowerPoint 3D. Adding a three-dimensional effect to your PowerPoint presentation can make it more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. Whether you're presenting for a business, educational, or personal project, a little 3D can go a long way in making your slides stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful tool available on both Windows and Mac operating systems, and it's widely used for creating attractive presentations. Once you have the application open, you'll be greeted by the opening screen. This is where you can access recent files, create a new presentation, or open an existing one. For this tutorial, you'll want to open an existing PowerPoint file you wish to enhance with 3D effects. Browse through your files and select the presentation you'd like to work on. Now that your file is open and ready, navigate to the ribbon at the top of the window. The ribbon is where all the magic happens in PowerPoint. It contains tabs that group tools and features together for easy access. For our purposes, you'll want to look for the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on it. This tab is packed with options to add various elements to your slides, from tables and charts to pictures and shapes. But for now, we're focusing on word art. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Word Art option. Word art is a feature that allows you to add stylized text to your slides, giving them an artistic touch. With word art, text isn't just mere words, they become an integral part of your design. When you click on word art, you'll see a variety of styles to choose from. These styles range from simple and elegant to bold and dramatic. Take a moment to explore the options and select a style that complements the theme of your presentation. Remember, the style you choose will set the tone for the 3D effect we're about to create. Once you've selected your word art style, it's time to customize it with your own text. Click on the word art style you like and you'll see a text box appear on your slide. You can now type in the text you wish to transform into 3D. This could be anything from your presentation's title to key points you want to emphasize. Make sure the text you enter is relevant and adds value to your presentation. After typing in your text, you might want to adjust its size, color, or font to make sure it's exactly how you want it to look. Now, you might be wondering, how do we actually make this text 3D? This is where creativity and experimentation come into play. While the instructions provided don't directly dive into the specifics of converting word art into a three-dimensional object, PowerPoint does offer tools to manipulate text shapes, including 3D effects found under the Format options when a text box or shape is selected. Here, you can explore shadow, reflection, and even rotation options to give the illusion of depth and dimension. By experimenting with these tools, you can enhance your word art to create a visually striking 3D effect. It's worth noting that creating a compelling 3D effect in PowerPoint requires a bit of patience and a creative eye. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, effects, and angles. The goal is to make your text pop and engage your audience. Remember, the best presentations are those that effectively communicate your message while keeping the viewer visually entertained. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add 3D effects to your PowerPoint presentations using word art. By following these steps and allowing yourself to experiment with the different styles and effects, you can elevate the visual appeal of your slides and make sure your presentation stands out. Whether you're presenting in a corporate, academic, or casual setting, these 3D text effects will surely catch the eye of your audience and keep them engaged from beginning to end. Before we wrap up this video, a few final tips. Always consider the overall design and color scheme of your presentation when choosing your word art style and 3D effects. You want to enhance your message, not distract from it. And finally, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with PowerPoint's numerous features, the more comfortable you'll become in crafting visually stunning presentations. That's all for today's tutorial on how to make PowerPoint 3D. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy presenting!